Have you ever wondered how plants can help solve mysteries? Meet Luna, a curious 9-year-old girl who loves science and has the most amazing garden in her backyard. She calls herself the plant detective because she uses her garden to solve neighborhood puzzles. One sunny morning, Luna was watering her tomato plants when her neighbor, Mrs. Green, came running. "Luna, something strange happened in my vegetable garden. All my carrots disappeared overnight, and there are tiny footprints everywhere." Luna's eyes sparkled with excitement. This was a perfect case for the plant detective. She grabbed her special investigation kit, a magnifying glass, a notebook, and her favorite purple pencil. "Don't worry, Mrs. Green, let's use science to solve this mystery." First, Luna carefully observed the scene. She noticed the footprints were small and had 4 toes. There were also bits of leaves scattered around. Luna wrote down everything she saw in her notebook. "When we solve mysteries," Luna explained to Mrs. Green, "we start by looking closely at all the clues." Luna had an idea about who might have taken the carrots. "I think it might be rabbits," she said. "That's my hypothesis. That's a fancy science word for my best guess based on what I see." She remembered that rabbits love carrots and leave similar footprints. To test her hypothesis, Luna sprinkled some flour on the ground near the remaining carrots. If rabbits are coming at night, they'll leave footprints in the flour. Then we can compare them to the ones we found. This was her experiment, just like real scientists do. That evening, Luna also set up her dad's garden camera. "Good scientists always collect lots of evidence," she explained to Mrs. Green. "Sometimes we need to try different ways to find answers." The next morning, Luna rushed to Mrs. Green's garden. Just as she thought, there were fresh footprints in the flour. The garden camera had taken pictures too. Can you guess what they showed? Yes, 3 fluffy rabbits having a midnight feast. Luna showed Mrs. Green her scientific evidence. "See, we solved the mystery by following the scientific method. First, we observed the problem. Then we made a hypothesis. Next, we tested it with experiments. Finally, we found our answer." Mrs. Green was impressed. "You're a wonderful scientist, Luna, but what should we do about the rabbits? I still want to grow carrots." Luna thought carefully. "I have another hypothesis. If we plant some clover at the edge of your yard, the rabbits might eat that instead. Rabbits love clover even more than carrots. And I read that clover makes the soil better for other plants too." Together, Luna and Mrs. Green planted a special rabbit garden with lots of clover. They also built a small fence around the vegetable patch. Luna kept watching and taking notes. Soon, the rabbits were happily munching on clover, leaving the carrots alone. Word spread about Luna's success, and soon other neighbors started asking for her help with their garden mysteries. Whether it was discovering why flowers changed color or finding out what made tomatoes grow best, Luna always used her scientific method. Observe, guess, test, and solve. Luna learned that being a good scientist means being patient, curious, and willing to try new ideas. She discovered that every plant has a story to tell, and with careful observation and testing, we can understand these stories better. Remember, you can be a plant detective too. Just use your eyes to observe, make smart guesses, test your ideas, and learn from what happens. Nature is full of wonderful mysteries waiting to be solved by curious minds like yours.